#5 ChatGPT prompts. Every small business owner needs. What if I told you that most small business owners are leaving about 15 hours per week on the table? Not because they're lazy, but because they're using ChatGPT completely wrong. I've tested over 200 ChatGPT prompts for small business tasks, and exactly 5 of them do 80% of the heavy lifting. And here's the kicker. None of them are the ones you've probably seen on social media. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 copy-paste prompts that handle your marketing, customer service, content creation, and sales follow-ups. And I'm going to show you the exact results they produce live on screen. Welcome to BizAutomate, where we help small business owners save time and make more money using AI tools. If you're new here, hit subscribe. We drop practical AI tutorials every Monday and Thursday. Today, we're diving into the 5 ChatGPT prompts that will actually move the needle in your business. No fluff, no theory, just proven prompts you can use today. Prompt #1, the Customer Avatar Deep Dive. Let's start with the foundation of all good marketing, knowing exactly who you're talking to. Most business owners think they know their customer, but when I ask them to describe their ideal client, I get vague answers like small business owners or busy moms. That's not specific enough to write compelling marketing. Here's the first prompt. I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT right now. I run a business serving. Help me create a detailed customer avatar by asking me 10 specific questions about my ideal customer's demographics, pain points, goals, objections, and buying behavior. Ask me one question at a time, and after I answer all 10, create a comprehensive customer avatar profile I can reference for all my marketing. See how ChatGPT immediately asks a specific question? This is the interactive interview approach, and it's brilliant because you're not trying to think of everything at once. Let me answer these quickly for my example business. Let's say I run a bookkeeping service for e-commerce stores. Look at this output. This isn't just e-commerce business owners. This is Sarah, 34, running a Shopify store doing $30K/month, spending 8 hours a week on bookkeeping she hates, worried about tax season, and making purchasing decisions based on time savings rather than just cost. Now, when I write an email or create a social media post, I'm writing to Sarah, not to a vague blob of potential customers. Copy this avatar and paste it into a Google Doc or Notion page. You'll reference it constantly. This one prompt just replaced a $2,000 marketing consultant session. Prompt #2, the content idea generator that actually knows your business. Here's where most people go wrong with ChatGPT content creation. They ask for 10 social media post ideas and get generic garbage that sounds like every other business in their industry. The secret is giving ChatGPT context first, then asking for ideas. Here's prompt #2. I need 15 content ideas for context about my business, my content goals are, my audience's biggest pain points are, generate 15 specific content ideas with headlines and a 1-sentence description of each. Make them varied. Mix how-to, storytelling, myth-busting, and list formats. Let me fill this in for our bookkeeping example. Look at the difference. Instead of 5 bookkeeping tips, we're getting specific angles like the $3,000 mistake I see e-commerce owners make every tax season, or how I reconcile a month of transactions in 47 minutes. These are actual content pieces you can create, and here's the bonus. You can take any one of these ideas, copy it, paste it back into ChatGPT, and say, write this as a 300-word LinkedIn post, or turn this into a 60-second video script. That's content creation on autopilot. One prompt gives you a month of content ideas, 5 minutes each to expand them into full posts. You just saved 10 hours a week. Prompt #3, the email response template builder. If you're spending more than 10 minutes writing the same types of emails over and over, customer inquiries, price quotes, follow-ups, this prompt is going to change your life. Here's prompt #3. I frequently receive. Help me create a response template that 1. Acknowledges their specific question, 2. Provides the information they need, 3. Addresses common objections or concerns, 4. Includes a clear call to action, 5. Maintains a tone. The email should have where I can customize specific details. Here's a typical email I receive. Let me show you this with a real pricing inquiry email. Watch what ChatGPT creates. It's not just a generic response. It's a smart template with customization points. See these brackets? That's where you drop in the customer's name, their specific service request, the actual price. Everything else is written, polished, and ready to send. I keep about 12 of these templates in a Google Doc. When an email comes in, I copy the template, fill in the brackets, and send. What used to take 15 minutes now takes 90 seconds. Here's the real power move. Create templates for your 5 most